Budgie. Hey. Morning. Time to get up. Hello. Good morning. You know, it's amazing you can do all that with just your face. Get off. Get off my head. No. No, 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 no. No. Go away. Is it attention you want? What is it that you want? Ouch. Perhaps it's to put out my eye, because that's what's going to happen if you keep standing on my face. Please get off. Ouch. No. Ouch. Fly away. Ouch. Oh. No.
Watch the birdie, take a camera, candid shot. Watch the birdie, come on and give it all you've got. Watch the birdie, just look around and pick a spot and hold it. Watch the birdie, just strike a funny pose or ride. Watch the birdie, well you can be that pose of mine. Watch the birdie, let me see your pretty smile and hold it. We're looking for a tall, dark, handsome man with eyes of blue and a golden tan, strong white teeth like Joe McRae. Hey, get out of the way. Watch the birdie, we'll take a camera, candid shot. Watch the birdie, come on and give it all you got. Watch the birdie, just look around and pick a spot and hold it.
Oh, you paused it. Don't do that. Don't pause it. Hey, move. You're on my mouse. How am I supposed to work on my movie, huh? Oh, you paused it again. Stop doing that. Did you fart? Hey, silly head. That needs some transitions, don't you think? Yeah, I need some transitions. Maybe we should put on some of your favorite music and you'll sing a little bit. You don't think so, huh? You don't want to sing? You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're adorable. That's right. You're so cute. Stop farting at me. It's true. No, it's true. You're cute. You're making fun of me. That's not very nice. No. No, it's not. Be nice to me. Yeah, you heard me. Be nice. So, what now? What now? Should we put on your Budgie playlist? You want to hear your Budgie playlist? Where is it? Budgie. What should we listen to? How about... You like this song, don't you? You're so inescapably adorable. You gonna poo on my keyboard again? That was yucky. Budgie. Okay, little guy, it's time for bed. Come on. Go in your cage. No. We're not playing this game. It's bedtime. Bedtime. No. Nope. Gotcha! He ran right into my hand. That was fantastic. Okay, get in there. Okay. Night, Budgie.